I've been running these 250 watt heat lamps for many years and never had an issue. But last year was the first year that I damn near burned up my chickens. So this year, I decided to go out and buy something which I hope will be a little bit safer, and I wanted to do an unboxing of this particular product. I got this today down at Tractor Supply, made by Producer's Pride. The thing I like about it is it's got multifunctionality. It's not only a chicken coop heater, but it also works as a brooder. Having it flat where you can put it in your brooder, or you can stand it up if you intend on using it kind of in this fashion in your chicken coop. It's 120 volt, and it's got two different power settings. One which supposedly is at 200 watt, which that's the higher setting. That's the heater function. And then the brooder function would be the lower setting at 40 watts. On-off switch for added convenience. 3 different heights for the brooder setting, so you can mount this up against something without any risk for fire. And multiple mounting options. It was $49.99 on the shelf, and out the door it was like 53 bucks. Got some accessories here. And the other end of that is the other part of the styrofoam to protect it. And that's all that's in the box. Let's see what we have in here. You just your instructions. And then you've got your different mounting brackets. These 2 pieces. And then 4 of these. Shows you the heater configuration and then the brooder configuration. Essentially it comes with, these are the legs, and it comes with 2 of them, and those are for the heater. And then if you're going to run it as the brooder, it comes with 4 of these. 1 will go on each corner. In the different slots here, you can run it at different heights. That's what's going to set your height above the ground where the chicks are at. And then it also talks here about another configuration where you can run it with a chain, but that's not included. The feet just slot in just like that. Got one on that side, one on that side. The on-off switch is a rocker type switch where one side is for the brooder, and then the middle position of the rocker is going to be in the off position, and then the opposite side down would be the heater position. So what I'm going to do is get this plugged in and see if I can't take some temperatures and see how many watts this thing's pulling. I currently have this set on the brooder setting, which is supposedly 40 watts. And what I'm showing is that bouncing back and forth in between about 52 and 53 watts is what it's generating. Amperage, it's pulling less than an amp, 0.85, 0.83. Checking the temperature. About 114 degrees, 113.9. Try it again, right in the center. 113.3. One more time. 113.5. I'm turning this now on the higher setting, which is supposed to be 200 watts. And it's showing 200 watts. See how many amps it's pulling. That's pulling 1.64 amps on the higher setting. This wound up heating up to about 195 degrees before it shut itself off. Temperature on the back of this is 76 degrees. What's interesting is this little on-off looking emblem. It's actually heat sensitive tape that heats up and turns red at the higher temperatures and then begins to cool down as this goes back toward 130 degrees. The unit will shut itself off at 195 degrees. It'll cool back down to about 130 before it kicks itself back on. Yeah, this shuts off at 195. My initial impression of this is just one of simplicity. There's very few moving parts. It's very simple to operate, and it's operational right out of the box. I currently have the chickens in there underneath it, and they seem to be enjoying themselves quite a bit. I will give you one more view of the stated claims of this particular product on the way out. But please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.